History Study Guide for Lessons 7, 8, and 9. Describe the physical location of Egypt. Egypt was in Africa, north of the Nile River. Describe the physical location of Canaan. Canaan was on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. Describe the physical location of Cush. Cush was in Africa, south of the Nile River. What is the process of mummification? Who performed this ritual? How long did this process take? What were the containers called for the organs? The process of mummification is where a dead person is wrapped. Normally, a priest would perform this ritual. It would take 70 days to perform, and the jars that contain the organs were called canopics. Egypt was divided into 3 kingdoms. What are the names of the kingdoms, their nicknames, and their years of existence? The kingdoms' names are the Old, Middle, and New. Their nicknames are the Age of the Pyramids, which goes along with the Old, Reunification, which goes along with the Middle, and the Golden Age, which goes along with the New. That's 2700 to 2200 for the Old, 2000 to 1800 BC, and then 1600 to 1100 BC for the Golden Age. What are some examples of monuments/tombs constructed by pharaohs from your TCI text? Some of the examples of monuments/tombs constructed by pharaohs are the Great Pyramid of Giza, Sennacherib, the White Chapel, Hatshepsut, the A Temple, Indari Ali-Bahri, and Ramses II, who had his temple Abu Simbel. For the Egyptian social structure, it was the pharaoh at the top of the pyramid, followed by government officials, priests, then scribes, artisans, and peasants. Fill in the empire chart below with who ruled the empire and the achievements from that empire. Khufu ruled during the years 2551 to 2528. His achievement was his talent of building. Sennacherib was from 1971 to 1926 BC. And his achievement was his religious architectures. And Hatshepsut was from 1473 to 1458 BC. And the big achievement was her rise to power. Ramses II was from 1290 to 1224 BC. And the big achievement was the temple he built in Abu Simbel. The Nile River that flows from Egypt is known as the Giver of Life. Describe the feature of the river and how it contributed to the River Valley civilization. Why is it also known as the Taker of Life? The features of the Nile River include desert land, desert scrubs, and broadleaf evergreen forests. It contributed to a River Valley civilization and is called the Giver of Life because the river gives rich soil which help farmers with their harvests. It is also known as the Taker of Life because when the Nile River would flood, it would destroy houses, take lives of humans and animals, and spread disease. This is why the Nile River has both positive and negative characteristics.